Hello dear students, I hope that you all are fine, full of energy, yes, after the festive. Okay, so now it's time for our maths class. Today we are going to do ascending order and descending order. Now you must be thinking that what ma'am is saying, ascending order and descending order, it's really very difficult words, yes? Yeah, maybe they look very difficult words, but they are very easy. Why? Because we have already done some activities related to ascending order and descending order. Which one? Do you remember that earlier on we did the activity from big to small? Yes, big to small is considered ascending order. How? Let's see. Ascending means, see, when you climb a ladder, it means that you are from the low, you are moving to the high. Yes, from low position you are moving to the high. When you climb the stair, you can see in this picture a boy is climbing stairs. Yes, and first he is at the lower position as he climbs upstairs, he is moving to a high position. Do you remember we did small to big activity? Yes. See, the first tree's height is small, second one is bit longer, and the third one is bit bigger, fourth one is bigger, and fifth one is very bigger. Yes. The same way it's moving from low to high, low to high. Yes, the same way we do the work with the numbers. Yes, let's see how. Now see, some cubes are here. Yes, first number, one number is the smallest number. When we do the counting, one comes first, it means that's a smaller number. So one is smaller number, from the smallest it's moving to the biggest number, largest number. 1. What comes after 1? 2, which is bigger than 1. Yes. What comes after 2? 3. 3 is bigger than 2. Yes. Then after 3 what comes? 4. 4 is bigger than 3. So as you can see in this series, the numbers are moving from smallest to the largest. So this becomes our ascending order. It becomes our ascending order. Now you understood what is ascending order? Ascending order means small to big. Small to big. Now let's move to the descending order. Descending order means when you climb down the stairs. Look at this picture. As boy is at the top, yes, he's at the height. Now as he is coming down, he is going to be at the low height. Yes, yes. Now we can understand it with this picture easily. See, in this picture we can see giraffe. Yes, wow, there are 5 giraffe. We have 5 giraffe. Look, the one that is standing at the front is the biggest one, the biggest one or longer one. Afterward, the giraffe which is standing is a bit short height. Yes. Then after him, the giraffe that is standing is of shorter height than this one. Yes. Now next, the giraffe is having a shorter height than this giraffe, and the last one giraffe is having shorter height than all the giraffe. Yes, the same way we can do the work with the numbers. How? Let's see. Now see, descending means largest to smallest. Largest to smallest means first we are going to place the biggest number, then the smallest number, then the smaller number, then this last one is going to be smallest number. Okay, as you can see, first largest number among these numbers 1, 2, 3, 4. Which number is bigger one? Largest one? 4. Yes, 4. Then 3 is smaller than 4. Yes, after 3 what is written? 2. 2 is smaller than 3 and 4. Yes, then the last number is written 1. So 1 is smallest among these numbers. So this becomes a descending order. My mistake, descending order. So descending order means largest to smallest. Largest to smallest is descending order. Now I am going to show you how we are going to do the work in maths book. Okay, so be ready with your maths book. Write today's date and be ready.